What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at it with another video. Today, you read the title, you seen the thumbnail, we're talking about the Air Jordan 1 first class flights, man. If you're new to the channel, right now what I need you to do is subscribe, ring notification bell for your boy. We're on the ground of 20,000 subs, man, and we are less than 100 away from 19,000. Man, it means so much. Like, it's crazy just to think back when I first started the channel and now, like, 19,000 subscribers, about to hit 3 years on YouTube. It's been a long, fun process, and I cannot wait for the future of this channel. I see a lot more stuff popping, you feel me? So if you're new, like I said, subscribe, help me get to that 20K. Also, follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. Link will always be in the description box below. All right, so with all that being said, man, let's jump right into these Air Jordan 1 first class flights. All right, I'm gonna post a picture either right here, always let you guys know and let you see while we talking through the whole video, show you some details of it before they drop. You know what I'm saying? Just to see if you really want to go out there on Saturday, on Jordan release Saturday, and see if you want to go cop these Jordan 1 first class flights, man. I know it's a couple of spots that's going to be doing first come, first serve. As always, regardless of what city you in, it's always at least one store with certain releases that you can do first come, first serve. I remember even with the Satin Black Toes, they had a first come, first serve basis at Foot Action here in San Antonio, and I was able to get one pair of size 7.5, and I sold them things, got all my money back and some, you feel me? So it's gonna always be those spots that you can go do your first come, first serve, camp online, whatever you have to do. But of course, you know, Footlocker did do the Footlocker Reserved app. If you have not checked out the Footlocker Reserved app yet, I know it's comments under every how to cop, release news, whatever video I drop, it's always comments saying how do you win on the Footlocker Reserved app, and it's very simple, man. Just always stay that platinum member, spend $300 or more a year, which if you're a sneakerhead, you know, spend money on shoes that you like, and it's a whole bunch of shoes that sneakerheads want to get, and it's over $300. 2 pair of shoes is over $300. So if you love ones, if you get 2 pair of ones, that's already what, 320 bucks, you feel me? So you're gonna be that platinum member for Footlocker, and you can always set yourself apart from everybody else, get that 9-minute head start off rip. And then when you go check into the store, you can do an extra 1-minute head start. And if you don't want to go to the store, like I said in some of my previous videos, you can just go to checking codes on Twitter, and you can check in just like that. Just put a different zip code in, put the pin in, and then change the store back to the store in your local area. That's what I do all the time. The only time I went and got the extra minute head start, which I should have vlogged, was when I picked up the Citron Yeezys. And speaking about the Citron Yeezys, I know I'm off topic. But I just got another call today. It's Friday. From Shoe Palace, and they said they got another shipment, and I won a size 9 and the Citron Yeezy 350 V2s, and I was like, I'm pretty sure a lot of people was taking them back, or they don't really want them. As you can see right here, your boy has 2 pair of Cloud Whites. This one came off the second shipment, and then the Citrons I caught from Footlocker, and now I got another pair from Shoe Palace. So I'm like, should I go cop them? But then I keep thinking about those Sesames, and I keep thinking about those Lummarks, and I'm just like, what's the point of me going to cop them, you know what I mean? So that's a shoe that if you want to go get and you feel like the resale is going to hike up, which eventually it will, a year or two, the resale will go up past $300. That's just normal, you know what I mean? But I'm just like, I might just pass off on those, keep them for somebody that really wants them. And I just feel like if people that don't come pick their shoes up, are they going to actually put them out on display, you know what I mean? I know Footlocker had the Citrons on display, and that was so crazy. You never see Yeezys on display, and I thought it was crazy. So back to these Jordan 1 first class flights. I'm so sorry I got off topic. So as you know, they do retail for 160 bucks. They released this Saturday, like I said. If you have not did the Footlocker Reserved app and stuff like that, Champs Reserved, Foot Action Reserved, whatever they did drop in your area, if you didn't do it yet, it's probably too late, because I know on Friday around 5 o'clock they let people know who won. As you can check them out right here, man, you see all over white shoes, like perforated holes all over the shoe, and you have like the barcode in the back. You have Jordan's signature on the medial side of the shoe. You have like his little signature right there. I thought that was pretty dope. You have like some stats, or you have like a date or something on the shoe as well. I'm not pretty sure. I haven't seen them in hand. I haven't seen an early review over these shoes, but I do know that they have a lot of dope details, and that yellow hit is something very different. It's something that was very appealing to me. I only have 1 pair of yellow Jordan 1s in my collection. That is the New Loves, man. So this is gonna be a dope pickup for me. Another Air Jordan 1. Jordan 1 is like dominant in my collection right now. I have a lot of Jordan 1s, have a lot of Jordan 14s, and I didn't even know I had that many 14s to actually set and I reorganized all my shoes, and I'm like, man, I got a whole bunch of 1s and 14s in my collection, you know what I mean? Also, with the resale, man, for me personally, I always try to give you guys my resell prediction, or what I think they're gonna be going for, and it was going for about 360 week before release, and now it's getting closer and closer to the release date, and now you can get your pair on StockX, go that for around 250, 260, and that is the day before release. So I can just see these things dropping a little bit more, maybe 230 price range, and then of course you already know with Jordan 1s, the price is gonna hike up, and that's one shoe that you do know, you for sure know that the resale is gonna climb. Look at any of the past Jordan 1 releases, you give it some time, it's gonna rise in price, it's gonna drop in price, it's gonna keep rising, keep dropping. That's just the norm for the Jordan 1s, especially on StockX, man. That's where I really go to check out the resale market and stuff like that. So me personally, I think maybe a month from now, those Jordan 1 first class flights will be going for around 320 to 360 bucks. That's just my prediction. Y'all come back to this video in a month and let me know if I was right. But like I said, they're going for around 260 right now. If you want to go copy a pair, if you don't think you're gonna take a W, if you don't think you're gonna be first in line, if you don't think you're gonna hit on the app, go ahead and purchase them right now. There's been so many shoes that I should have went and purchased before release date, and I just didn't do it, and now I'm hurting because they're going for way too much money. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. I just want to give you guys some details about this shoe, some release news, of course the retail price, and my resale prediction. I want to do this more on the channel, bring some more viewers in, especially those resellers, man. I'm trying to give y'all my reseller instinct, because there have been a couple of shoes that I resold and made some money off of. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video if you learned something in this video. Comment down below and let me know if you're going to be going after these Jordan 1s. Also, follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. Link will be in the description box below. I have a very, very dope giveaway coming soon, and you definitely want to be a part of the channel, so have on notification bells lit for your boy. I appreciate all of the support, and with all this being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, which will be the review and on feet over the Jordan 1 first class flights. I'm going to get a pair. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Peace.